What was that? Why is there a hole in my roof? And why am I covered in branches? This is How to Survive a Tree Falling on Your House. They're beautiful. They provide oxygen, and trees remove some harmful gases. But they can also be dangerous. Do you know that you're more likely to be killed by a falling tree than by sharks? It's true. Falling trees kill more than 100 people each year, but sharks only kill about 7 people. Can you tell if a tree could fall just by looking at it? Why should you have an emergency bag, and what should you keep in it? And if a fallen tree traps you inside a house, what should you do? Step 1. Be aware of cracked soil. Usually there are warning signs before a tree falls. If the tree is extremely hunched over, it could be due to root damage. So check for exposed roots and cracked and heaving soil. And trees with U or V-shaped trunks are more susceptible to falling, as they tend to have more weak points. This also makes them more likely to be hurt by storms. But severe wind, ice, or rainstorms can make a tree fall over without warning. Always inspect trees after storms and between seasons. Step 2. Don't be cheap. Don't try to remove a tree yourself. And don't ask your lawn guy to remove it either. Matt Bienick of Houston, Texas got a much lower quote from his lawn guy than from professionals. So he gave his lawn guy the job of removing a dead 15-meter pine tree. When Bienick returned from work, the tree had fallen on his house, causing $60,000 of damage. Always get professionals to remove trees from your yard. Step 3. Have a plan. A tree crashing on your house could be dangerous. Have a detailed evacuation plan, including the quickest exits, a safe place to meet outside, and a friend or family member you can call during a disaster. And keep a go bag packed with emergency supplies, important documents, car keys, cash, flashlights, and any medications you need. Step 4. Pick up the phone. Call the emergency services. After they arrive, call your insurance company. It can begin looking for a contractor to fix your home while you make sure everyone is safe. Step 5. Trust your instincts. In January 2021, Canadian Pamela DeRosa heard a loud bang. Her intuition told her to get out of the house, and fortunately, she got out of bed and headed outside. Just a minute after she left, she saw a tree crash through power lines and land right on her bedroom. Step 6. Don't move. If a tree falls and you're trapped underneath it, conserve your energy and focus on controlling your breathing. And if you can, lie in the recovery position to keep your airways open and stop you from choking on vomit or fluid. To do this, lie on your side with your arm under your neck and keep your knees tucked in. Wait for emergency services to arrive, then call out or use your foot to tap on something. This will make it easier for rescuers to find you. You survived, but now you see what caused the tree to fall in the first place. It's a mega tornado. Think you can get out of this alive? Find out here on How to Survive.